Are you curious about the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on our planet? Look no further. Here we present the top 10 active volcanoes that are sure to captivate your imagination. From their majestic eruptions to their mesmerizing landscapes, these volcanoes are a true testament to the Earth's power and beauty. At number 10, we have Mount Vesuvius in Italy. This iconic volcano is infamous for its devastating eruption in 79 AD, which buried the ancient city of Pompeii under a thick layer of ash. Today it stands as a reminder of the volatile nature of our planet. Moving on to number 9, we encounter Mount Agung in Indonesia. Located on the island of Bali, this volcano is considered sacred by the locals and has erupted multiple times throughout history, shaping the island's dramatic landscape. Our next entry, at number 8, is Cotopaxi in Ecuador. Standing tall at over 19,000 feet, this stratovolcano boasts a perfectly symmetrical cone. Its sheer size and occasional eruptions make it a sight to behold. Number 7 takes us to Mount St. Helens in the United States. This volcano, located in Washington state, is famous for its cataclysmic eruption in 1980, which drastically altered the surrounding landscape. Today it serves as a living laboratory for scientists studying the regrowth of ecosystems after a volcanic event. Coming in at number 6 is Mount Etna in Italy. As one of the world's most active volcanoes, Etna continuously spews out molten lava, creating a mesmerizing display of raw power. Its frequent eruptions have shaped the island of Sicily and its surrounding areas. Heading to number 5, we find Sakurajima in Japan. This volcano, located near the city of Kagoshima, is known for its constant volcanic activity. The eruptions are so common that the locals have become accustomed to living with the constant threat of ash and lava. Next up, at number 4, is Kilauea in Hawaii. This shield volcano is famous for its ongoing eruptions, with lava flowing into the ocean, creating dramatic steam vents and stunning coastal landscapes. Kilauea is a popular destination for volcano enthusiasts from around the world. Number 3 takes us to Nyiragongo in
the Democratic Republic of Congo.
This active stratovolcano is renowned for its lava lake, making it one of the most unique and breathtaking sights in the world. Be prepared to be mesmerized by the glowing red lava as it churns within the crater. Our second to last entry, at number 2, is Mount Yasur in Vanuatu. This continually erupting stratovolcano offers a spectacle like no other. Visitors can witness spectacular lava fountains and the unforgettable sound of rumbling eruptions echoing through the air. Finally, taking the top spot, we have Mauna Loa in Hawaii, standing as the world's largest shield volcano. Mauna Loa boasts a massive size and a gentle yet constant eruption pattern. Its majestic presence dominates the Hawaiian landscape and attracts visitors year-round. There you have it. These top 10 active volcanoes are truly nature's most enigmatic and captivating creations. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a lover of nature's grandeur, these volcanoes will leave you in awe of our planet's dynamic and ever-changing beauty.